What is up, guys? Dan this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to visit the HubSpot calendar. So first, you need to head over to HubSpot and then log in with your HubSpot account. And after that, on the left side, you need to hover to this marketing's icon and then click on campaigns. After clicking on campaigns here, the campaigns window will open. And from here, you just need to set a 14-day free trial. And after that, you just simply need to pay for it. And after that, you just simply need to create a campaign. And after creating a campaign, you just need to again hover to marketing and then click on campaigns again. So after clicking on campaigns one more time, here you will see this type of window. From here, you need to go to this calendar. And this is the calendar that you were looking for. Just open this calendar and then you can customize it from all campaigns to tasks and different types. And then you have multiple options to choose from and customize from. So this is how you can view your HubSpot calendar. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.